Do you remember when life felt simpler? When neighbors shared sugar, kids drank from the hose, and waste not, want not was more than just a saying, it was a way of life. Today, we're surrounded by convenience, but it's costing us a lot. So let's take a walk back in time and rediscover 35 old-fashioned habits that can save you thousands every year, and maybe even bring a little peace back into your life. Because sometimes, the best money-saving secrets aren't found in apps or spreadsheets. They're found in the way our grandparents lived, thoughtfully, simply, and with purpose. So let's bring some of that old wisdom back home. 1. Cook from scratch. Your grandma didn't buy pre-made meals, she made them. A few simple ingredients and a bit of time can save you hundreds a month. 2. Use everything twice. Glass jars become storage. Old t-shirts become rags. Before tossing anything, ask, can I give this another life? 3. Hang close to dry. A sunny day, a gentle breeze, and lower electric bills. Sometimes the best dryer is nature itself. 4. Mend and repair. A needle and thread can save you a shopping trip. Clothes don't need to be replaced, they just need a little love. 5. Keep the lights off during the day. Let sunlight fill your home, it's free, warm, and comforting. 6. Bake your own bread. It costs less, tastes better, and fills your home with a smell that money can't buy. 7. Use cloth instead of paper. Cloth napkins, reusable towels, simple switches that add up big over time. 8. Grow herbs and vegetables. Even a windowsill garden can save you money, and give you a little joy every time you pick something fresh. 9. Make your own cleaning products. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon, cheap, natural, and effective. 10. Turn down the heat and wear a sweater. Our grandparents knew it, comfort doesn't always come from the thermostat. If you're finding this helpful so far, take a second to hit that like button. It tells me you're part of this little community that values simplicity, savings, and self-reliance. And if you haven't yet, subscribe, we share timeless tips like these every week. 11. Pay with cash. It's easy to swipe, but when you use real bills, you feel the money leaving your hands, and spend less. 12. Keep a price book. Track what things really cost, that way, you'll spot a sale that's not so special. 13. Buy quality, not quantity. One sturdy pair of shoes will outlast 5 cheap ones. 14. Borrow, don't buy. Need a tool or a fancy outfit? Ask around, your neighbor probably has it. 15. Cook once, eat twice. Leftovers are a gift from your past self. 16. Save your spare change. Those coins add up faster than you think, just like your grandparents' old coffee tin savings. 17. Use the library. Books, movies, classes, all free, just waiting for you. 18. Trade skills with friends. Fix their sink, they fix your car. The old barter system still works wonders. 19. Delay big purchases. Wait a week. If you still want it, maybe it's worth it. If not, you just saved yourself a regret. 20. Cook at home before eating out. Even one less takeout meal a week can save you hundreds a year. 21. Walk when you can. Saves gas, clears your mind. 22. Keep a small wardrobe. Less laundry, less clutter, less decision fatigue. 23. Make gifts instead of buying them. Homemade jams, candles, or crafts, meaningful and inexpensive. 24. Save glass jars and containers. You'll never need to buy storage again. 25. Plan your meals. A simple list prevents impulse buys and food waste. 26. Preserve food. Canning, freezing, drying, skills that make every harvest last longer. 27. Turn off unused electronics. Even the little lights on chargers cost you money over time. 28. Simplify entertainment. Game nights, picnics, walks, joy doesn't have to come from a screen. 29. Make coffee at home. It's cozy, cheaper, and somehow tastes better when you brew it yourself. 30. Fix what's broken. Not everything needs replacing, sometimes it just needs patience. 31. Practice gratitude. Contentment is the best savings plan. 32. Keep a small garden or even a few pots. Nothing feels better than eating something you grew yourself. 33. Share meals and time with neighbors. Community used to be our greatest currency, maybe it still is. 34. Track every expense. Awareness is the first step toward change. 35. Remember, simple doesn't mean less, it means enough. Maybe the secret to saving money isn't about new hacks, maybe it's about old wisdom. Bring these habits back, and you'll find the savings are just the beginning. Because when life slows down, gratitude grows. Until next time, live simply, spend wisely, and stay grateful.